Welcome back to Fast Money. Ethereum soaring above the rest of the crypto carnage this week as its biggest rivals get crushed. Let's get to Seema Modi back.
Wow. Wow. Its biggest rivals get crushed. This is from that was a really broad statement from a news channel. Regardless, it has been doing very well recently. Recent reports actually showing that Ethereum is responsible for 91% of the crypto wealth. And by that I mean all of the tokens that are Ethereum based, aka ERC20 tokens. 91%. I'll leave a link to that down below so you can check it out yourself. A lot of money is flowing back into the crypto markets right now. We are currently sitting at 750 billion, a big recovery from a dip we saw 2 days ago of around 620, although the previous all-time high for market cap was around $820 billion. Basically, the only reason I feel like you should care about market cap, hold on, let me move out of this way. The only reason I feel like you should care about it is that the market cap directly impacts how much each coin has in value. They just share what the market cap is. Bitcoin's currently sitting at 32% of all of that wealth by itself. Quite a big margin, some would say, but still pretty low when it comes to Bitcoin. It used to enjoy highs of 100% once upon a time, 80% for a long time, and now 32%. Should we see a rise in that this year? Let me know what you guys think down below. Interestingly, you can now sub or subscribe to people on Twitch using a variety of payment methods. These were announced 2 months ago, but now they are currently live. You can currently do this. You can sub to your favorite Twitch streamers. And on this list, we have conspicuously Bitcoin and Coinbase. That's cool. Twitch is owned by a little company called Amazon, by the way. You may have heard of them. But it's the age of Ethereum. When Ethereum? Unless Coinbase payments also accept Ethereum. Now, you may have also heard of a little coin called WALTON. What the hell is going on? So we're still awaiting confirmation of this, but let me show you what is causing it, what is causing this FOMO. This article, I'll link it below. WALTON chain and the China Mobile Internet of Things Alliance, crypto's biggest announcement of 2018. All right, so it seems we're off to a good start here. Whatever phone you use, wherever you are in the world, you're connected to this announcement. It's an initiative so large that it transcends the entire crypto market cap. This is bigger than Google, bigger than Microsoft. Maybe I won't link this article, but okay. In June 2017, the China Mobile Internet of Things Alliance was formed, touting members such as China Mobile, China Unicom, Telecom, Huawei, I think that's how you pronounce that, and over 140 more of the world's leading Internet of Things companies and research institutions. WALTON Chain is now one of them. That's literally the words it says. WALTON Chain is positioning themselves to be the single connector of the entire Internet of Things initiative put forward by the China Mobile Internet of Things Alliance. This is the largest global scale operation ever involved with a cryptocurrency to date. Wow, okay. I'm sold. Consider me shilled. Bye, bye, bye. I wouldn't personally accept any Medium post to convince me to buy into something when it's at an all-time high. So let's check WALTON's official Twitter, see what they've got to say about this. WALTON Chain is pleased to announce that we will be working with China Mobile Internet of Things Alliance on a global initiative to incorporate WALTON Chain Internet of Things 2018. All right, again, off to a good start. This is adding some legitimacy. Let's click here. This is what they're sharing. This is the official stance. WALTON Chain affiliate Zhang Bla in negotiations to partner with China Mobile Communications. In negotiations? I thought this was a done deal. Negotiations could mean anything. It feels like they've rushed a press release without waiting until something concrete was confirmed. Obvious signals to investors that the WALTON Chain management team lacks professional training and just basic education in business ethics. This worries me deeply. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that this is kind of brash. This is kind of, how should we put it? Irresponsible. That doesn't mean it's not true, but they're in negotiations, so the negotiations could go bad, you know? Anyway, onto some other big crypto coin news. VeChain rebrand has now been confirmed for February 26th. There we are, February 26th. not WALTON. VeChain will be rebranded to VeChain Thor and moving from Ven to Vet as its moniker, I believe. As they say, this is more than a change in logo or name. What VeChain Thor is becoming is more extensive than what many foresaw when we announced a rebrand. More announcements coming. We don't really know what it means yet. I'm going to end today by reading a Reddit post which I thought was extremely important. Adequately applies to many people right now, I feel. The title is Enjoy Life While You Can. It's been Reddited gold 3 times. I'll leave a link to this below as well. Dear crypto community, I always read about the people complaining they are not making gains and how bad their life is and so on. You know, many people feeling they missed the train on many projects, question themselves, blame themselves, even though they might have done well already. They compare themselves against others, which I feel is a really risky thing to do. It always leads to misery. But anyway, I want to tell you that I am hospitalized at the minute. Nothing serious, just some safety checks because of some troubles I had with my heart. Anyway, I had to close my eyes many times while being here. I even sang songs in my head to overhear the suffer of really ill men, women, and children. I am crying while typing this because I can only imagine what death-sick people are going through, what families are going through. If you hear a person that cries and begs to stay alive, you will feel ashamed of the moments you thought your life is bad. Dear crypto community, I don't wish you gains in Lambos and cocaine parties. I wish you all to stay healthy and to live life now. Maybe a little bit extreme, but the important point is to enjoy life. Try not to compare yourself, your positions to others. Be grateful for what you've got. I've heard a statement which I really like. You are only as happy in life as you are grateful.